Hey guys, Chef Tom here with allthingsbbq.com. Popping in just real quick to tell you about a product that I've been getting excited about. It's the FinaMill Spice Grinder. Now there's a few things I'm stoked on about this product. Now obviously, first of all, this is an electric grinder, which is pretty cool in and of itself, but also it's got a great ceramic piece. So just like any grinder, you can totally adjust the size of your grind. And as you can see, there's more than one pod that you can work with. So you can quickly switch with one hand from your peppercorns over to your nice coarse steak rub that you want to break down a little bit finer. So obviously there's any number of spices, be it your black peppercorns or even rock salt or individual spices that you could break down finer. But what I love about this, and especially for what we do around here, is a lot of times we cook with these kind of more coarse steak rubs that are fantastic on a big piece of meat. But when you try to cook on a griddle with a burger or something like that, these big pieces want to char. So adding them to this little cup so that you can break them down and put it right onto your burger, right onto your steak, it makes it so that you don't scorch all of those spices that are in there. Instead, they kind of just melt right into the meat. And the other cool thing is, you want to switch them out, it all goes pretty quick. You can switch from your trail dust to your tri-tip in no time. And you can really see the difference that makes from the coarser pieces to the finer ones. So one of the great things about this spice grinder too is the one-handed operation. So let's say you're doing some burgers. Maybe you just want to do salt and pepper on some of your burgers. So you're going to start off by sprinkling on some salt. You're going to grind on your pepper. But maybe your next one you want to switch over to one of your steak or burger rubs. You can very easily just pop the next one on. And then right away, you're switching right over to your favorite steak or burger rub with your clean hand, no problem. Oh, look at that sear. Bonus. So this is especially helpful when you're cooking for the kids and the adults, because I know my kids don't want anything more than salt and maybe a little bit of pepper on the outside. But I love this Cattleman's tri-tip seasoning, and it's got a little bit of kick to it. So back and forth, changing in no time. There's a lot of great manual spice grinders out there. I use them, I love them, but this just makes it so much easier to switch back and forth quickly. I'm really digging this FinaMill. You guys know that I don't do this very often, but I had to pop on and tell you about it. So go check them out at allthingsbbq.com. All Things Barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.